Hi Bill, this is Adrian with CM Mitchell Consulting. I wanted to respond via video to the question about the reporting capabilities in Kofax and being able to track and monitor batches and invoices and documents inside of the capture system, in the Kofax capture system. I've browsed out to Kofax's website here, and I'll send you this path in an email. And you will notice that about halfway down in the page, we have the Kofax Capture Online Help right here. If you want to see this for yourself, you can download this. This is a zip file. I've already downloaded that to a folder location on my drive. And if you download that zip file, put it in a directory, and then just extract that directory to the same file, same location, and open up the folder. This is the actual online help system that comes with Kofax Capture. Free download on the internet. You can just go get this. Double click on Welcome to Kofax Capture HTML file, and it will actually bring you into the Kofax Capture help system as kind of a web interface. I want you to go in the upper left corner and do a search for reports. Click on the Go button. And the second option you should get is the reports menu. Now these are the reports that come out of the box with Kofax. It's just an install on each of the validation clients to be able to run the reporting tool. You can assign the reporting tool to like administrators only, so that the validation operators, scan operators don't have access to this kind of information. But for your administrators of the system, this is probably good information to have. There are 5 basic reports that come out of the box with Capture. The first one is the system status report, and it shows you in progress batches, waiting batches, total batches, and where they're at in each module. So how many batches and documents and pages that you have in each of the modules in Kofax. The second report is a batch summary report. And again, it breaks it down by batches. In your case, we'd be looking at something like this: invoices batches. We have the number of documents in that batch class, the number of pages, average number of documents per batch, average pages per batch, average processing time per document, average processing time per batch, and of course the end-to-end time from the time that it's scanned to the time that it's released. What is the average processing time through the whole system? So this gives you an idea of performance and also user performance in the system. Validation is a step, a user intervention step, so that time would reflect that. The third report is a module productivity report. Again, it breaks it down by Kofax module, quality control module, scan module, validation module. Some of the modules are user intervention modules. Validation, of course, is where a user looks at the batch and verifies the information is correct. So you have manual intervention. Modules like recognition and release are services and don't require manual intervention. They run automatically. So this gives you some processing time and keystrokes, completed documents. Again, more process information on the batches and the processing in Kofax. We also have a user productivity report, and in this case it's a little different because you'll see actual names here. Batch manager will show the names of the person or the machine actually that the operation was completed on, and here's where you go in to track how many batches did Susie validate today, how many keystrokes did she have in completing a document, how long did it take her. Questions like that. User productivity report kind of makes sense. Finally, we have a pages scanned report, and this is a general scan report. You'll notice that a lot of these reports have date ranges on them. You can provide date ranges through the interface to only show you certain information, but this is just the number of pages that were scanned. So I hope that's helpful. This is the out-of-the-box reporting utility that comes with Kofax. It's installed to a database, so you can also develop your own custom reports directly against that database. Thank you.